Hi friends, this is Dr. Lakshman Savanama, MD General Medicine postgraduate. Right now, I am going to tell about different type of counseling process and NEET PG counseling in detail. So coming to the first slide I would like to explain regarding the different types of counseling that covers All India counseling, deemed counseling, DNB counseling, and statewide counseling. These are the different counseling options available for the NEET PG aspirant. So what are the different type of seats available in an all India counseling? So mostly this type of counseling of all India counseling will be held uh, very initial to all of those counseling which have been described before, and it covers all government colleges in all the states and deemed colleges. So all India counseling process generally will have both all the government colleges and also deemed colleges. In government college, there are like about 100 seats. If you think 50% of the seats will be shared to the national pool. Third 50% will be coming over this All India counseling what we are going to apply very initial stages, and 50% will be available for the respective states, such that the 50% seats which were given to All India national quota, these can be taken by any PG aspirant from any state who holds a definite rank to hold that seat. I think you understood. So what is the fee structure and bonds in these seats? So the link will be posted below the video, and there will be a Telegram group even where you can join. At that time you can see different list what I'm going to post. So I would like to give a small caution. These lists are not prepared by me. I didn't hold any responsibility for any mistakes in these uh, list what I'm going to put. These the list I got from different counseling institutes where has been shared by my friends. So I would like to keep them accordingly. So what will be the fee of all these government colleges is mostly around 50,000 per annum, and the stipend will be given by the government colleges for all the colleges mostly, and there will be a definite bonds. Each college have different bonds. That link will be given below so that you can see which college have different type of bonds. So who can apply for the counseling process? See, according to the NEET recent NBA released, based on they have given a scores. I would like to keep the slide. According to the scores which have been published, they can get the seat. So now you do please don't break your head who are eligible for the applying for NEET counseling, and don't break your head with percentile and etc. It's just a numerical thing. So the process of further counseling will be explained in the next slides. So coming to the deemed counseling. So what is meant by deemed counseling? Deemed counseling will consist of all deemed colleges all over the India. So remember one point I would like to specify here. Deemed colleges are different from the routine private colleges which the state holds. At this counseling, they doesn't have any seats of routine private colleges. That is the most important thing one has to see. For those seats, you have to apply separately statewide counseling for the private colleges. So what are the different types of deemed college seats available in deemed colleges? One is management seats, one is NRI category seats, one is government seats in deemed colleges. So coming to the NRI management seats, see generally I would like to clear one more clarification where most of the people will have management seats. Generally we have a notion like before coming here, like management seats are generally in some states they will be brought with huge money, where the persons who are not eligible to get a good branch based upon their rank, so they will go directly to the college and they would like to purchase the seats. So that seats generally we used to tell as management seats, but in deemed counseling these management seats are not the same. The management seats are duly filled by the counseling board, and these will be held by the rankers, and based upon the rank only these seats will be held, given to the people. And coming to the NRI category seat, so one more thing, everybody will think like I can apply for NRI category seat if I get a bad rank. It's not like that. Everybody cannot apply for an NRI category seat in a deemed college. The first thing is NBE or MCC.in, Medical Council of India, will release a certain document before the counseling registration starts. Okay, at that time one has to submit certain documents to fulfill the criteria for getting an NRI category seats. If you fulfill the criteria, the NBE or MCC will analyze all your certificates and they will tell you, and they will give a list who are eligible. So those list people only will be eligible for the NRI category seats, and these applications should be due filled before the counseling process starts. They will release a notification at that time. Everybody should be little attentive to get that seat if they wanted to wish, and they have to apply in beforehand before the counseling starts itself. And government seats in deemed. So what are these government seats in deemed? So generally, more or less few colleges of deemed universities will have certain government seats. That means about 4 to 5 total seats in a college will be hold of the state government. So what will happen during the state counseling? Those seats will be filled. So, what is the main difference between these seats and the people who has taken management or NRI category? One is the fees. The fees is around like, for example, if you take a All India quota filled management seat, it will be around 20 lakhs on and above based upon the different colleges, obviously. And if the same seat, like which has been allocated by a government, like KSET counseling, for example, in Karnataka, if they allot a seat in certain different colleges for deemed university, the fees will be around 5 to 6 lakhs based upon the college and based upon the state. This varies. So, and also these seats are not every time the same. For example, this year the medicine department has one government seat. Next year, surgery department a hold. Or next year, dermatology department hold. So this varies based upon that, and this will be released only after the counseling, and that will be released by the state board, but not by the MCC. So when can you fill the options for team counseling? So at the time of your application for the uh, uh, All India counseling, at the same time, the people can apply for the deemed counseling who wish to participate in the deemed counseling. That means generally during the application time of the All India counseling, there will be certain things like: do you want to apply for All India quota? Do you want to apply for deemed? Do you want to apply for both? Recently there has been a release of notification like it states like even the DNB counseling will be held together. That means All India quota, deemed counseling, and DNB all together. Three counseling boards will be held together at the same time. That is what has been told, but not officially or completely. The process has not been released. This is quite different from previous years. So we have to see how they are going to do it. So based upon one interest, you can choose either a AAQ or even deemed, or AAQ plus deemed, if it are DNB to DNB. So what is the difference between attending this counseling? So deemed counseling, if you attend, you will get the deemed college list. If you don't mark for deemed, you will get only All India government seat colleges. So the registration fees will be different. If you apply for deemed, you have to pay extra 2 lakhs according to the last year's fees. So these are the registration fees for the counseling which has been non-refundable and refundable, and this is according to the last year. So it may change based upon the new. So what is the state counseling? So individual state boards have different counseling process and different number of seats. All we know. So type of seats available in the state counseling. So 50% of the remaining seats which has been already given to the national pool. So 50% will be remaining for the state, for the government colleges, and all the routine state private college seats which are available will be available for the state counseling. So each state has certain separate type of process and distribution of seats as per their own rules and regulations. So generally, I'm talking about generally AP and Telangana. So we will be hearing certain names called A category seats, B category seats, management seats, and other category. These type of seats are available in state counseling. A category, B category, and management will not be available in All India quota or deemed colleges. So this is exclusively a state counseling protocol. So one has to go to the university website for knowing the different type of distribution of seats and different fees amount. So what about the DNB counseling? If at all it is held in a separate manner, the DNB will be holding different seats of different private and government hospitals, and most of the times DNB counseling will be held after the All India counseling and ends and before the state counseling starts. This can be changed from state to state even. Fee structure will be same for both government and private hospital, and fees around 1.5 lakhs per year will be charged for the DNB seat. And application fees will be around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees, and stipend will be around 40K per month based upon different state policies. This may vary even. And I would like to thank you for the patience listening. Good luck everyone. Meet you soon in the next video. For communication, for any doubts, I would like to hear from you. My Facebook page is Lakshman Sai Varma. My YouTube page is Dr. Vanama. Mana Dr. Vanama. So the next video covers about the different rounds in different counseling, eligibility criteria for those rounds, and stipends and bonds of different colleges, and refund criteria if you cancel the admission at different stages. So I would like to ask you, please share the video, like the video, comment the video, and subscribe. Please encouraging me. I would like to post. I would like to love to tell you different counselings. Thank you one and all. Love you. Bye.